Harpinariar! It's a new year, so we thought we would make a cocktail with BRITT.
Ta-da!
So we're gonna make 2 cocktails today, and they use a very bizarro drink called chartreuse, which is an herbal liqueur made by Carthusian monks who recently decided that they weren't gonna make so much of it. So it's really hard to get. And I found this bottle downstairs. So Britt and I thought, let's make a cocktail with it. It smells a little bit like Jägermeister.
Yeah.
But much
Should be pretty
better.
peppery.
Yeah, much
like
better.
Black pepper and herbs,
And
spices.
then this, which is yellow chartreuse, which is easier to get, yes?
Yes, because people don't drink it as much.
It's a little sweeter. All right, let's make some cocktails with chartreuse.
So I decided with the chartreuse that it would be nice to make 2 cocktails that are very celebratory. So both are going to feature champagne.
I have to go get the champagne.
Oh, we have to get the champagne.
Found it.
Champagne! So the first cocktail we're gonna do features Benedictine, gin, yellow chartreuse, and champagne. This is going to be a variation of a French 75 that maybe we can call a French 8. So we're gonna make 2 of these. We're gonna do, for each cocktail, a ½ ounce of lemon juice. So I'm gonna pour a full ounce in here. So we've got an ounce of lemon juice in here. We're gonna do a 1/4 ounce in each drink of yellow chartreuse and Benedictine. So we're gonna measure out a ½ ounce. Again, I've told you before, you wanna hold your jigger as close to your mixing glass as possible so that you're not spilling anything and wasting alcohol. Benedictine, that's a 1/4 ounce as well. Benedictine is like a nutty liqueur, a lot of almond flavors in that. So in a French 75, you would do lemon juice, simple syrup, and gin. So we're omitting the simple syrup because we've got 2 pretty sweet liqueurs that are taking the place of it. And an ounce each in each cocktail of gin.
Look at this. I received this as a present. It's from the Connaught Bar, named the best bar in the world 4 years in a row.
Wow.
My friend Brian got this for me. It's excellent.
The bottle's beautiful. So an ounce in each cocktail. So we're gonna do 2 ounces in here. All right, now we're gonna shake it. And remember, you can't care what you look like. You gotta shake it like you mean it.
Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby.
We're gonna use the coupes for this today.
Okay.
And I didn't prepare a garnish, but a little lemon twist would look nice in here. Actually, we could use a little thyme. That might be nice. Great. Do you want to top it with champagne?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
You could garnish it with a lemon peel, with an herb like this thyme, like that,
Yeah.
right? But let's see our
So cheers.
French 8.
Our French 8.
Oh, it's so good.
That's really nice.
The lemon juice is killer.
Wow, I did a really good job.
It's bitter. It's delicious. Well done, Britt.
Thank you. So our next cocktail is very simple. We're doing a little green chartreuse, a sprig of rosemary, and champagne. What are we going to call this, Randy?
The chant.
The chant. All right. Cheers to the chant.
Okay.
So we're going to start with just a 1/4 ounce and then add champagne. Because you can always add more. Because I don't know how you're going to feel about green chartreuse. We'll find out. I used to make a cocktail very similar to this at another bar that I worked at. You want to top it with some champagne now? It's a really fun way to use a liqueur. If you've got a liqueur sitting around at home and you don't know what to do with it, try it with a little bit of Prosecco.
Sprig of rosemary. Rubbing it on the glass. Okay, then we put it in like this.
Beautiful.
Oh, Brett had an idea of freezing an upside down. What was it?
Yeah, so it's a viral video. This woman put a little bit of water in the bottom of a glass and turned her rosemary sprig upside down. So I'll show you really quick. If I can do it. She turned it upside down so it looked like a Christmas tree. and stuck it in the water and then put that in the freezer, and it froze to the bottom, and it was a really cute little thing for a little cocktail. All right.
All right, here we go. Yes.
Okay.
Here's to you. Who's like you, damn few, and they're all dead.
Thank you. The chant.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Wow, that's delicious.
I like putting herbs in drinks as garnish because it enhances. You're smelling that rosemary at the same time you're tasting.
Well, think about what Britt said in your home. Do you have some weird bottle? Put it in a quarter ounce of it in with Prosecco or champagne. Suddenly you have your own drink. You can call it the chant of whatever it is.
No, you can't. This is the chant.
Oh, sorry.
You can't take our name.
Sorry. But you can call it any name you want. The dental extraction.
Interesting.
The frontal lobe injury.
I think that already exists.
Simply teeth. It's a name for a drink.
Simply teeth.
Just teeth is the name.
Just
Can I have a teeth, please? All right. Here's to the chant. It's delightfully herbaceous, green, and refreshing.
Yes.
I believe that it's believed that green chartreuse has medicinal properties.
Yeah. It's very similar to Amari, where you don't really know all the ingredients in it because the recipes are very old and under kind of lock and key.
Yeah.
From what I understand, you have to look this up because I could be lying. 2 Carthusian monks have the actual recipe,
No
and
way.
then it's passed on. So they're the only 2 that are but that know everything that goes into the liqueur.
Chartreuse is made only by Carthusian monks of La Grande Chartreuse near Grenoble, France. Chartreuse today is still made from 130 different alpine herbs, according to an ancient 1605 formula. The secret method of preparation is shared by 3 Carthusian brothers and is protected by vows of silence. The only liqueur to have a color named after it, chartreuse is also famous for a flavor and fragrance totally unexpected, remarkably beguiling, unique in all the world. Chartreuse is most popular mixed with tonic or soda in a tall glass with ice, accented by a slice of lemon or lime, but can also be enjoyed on the rocks or in fantastic cocktails such as teeth or or the chant.
Oh my God.
People, sometimes you get a weird bottle because you're cooking or something that had it.
Or someone brings a bottle to gift you and you have no idea
Britt always says make citrus juice and play around.
That's honestly the best thing you can do to get to know a liqueur is, again, this recipe is kind of foolproof as far as testing things. Do 2 ounces of your liquor, 3/4 ounce of a citrus, lemon or lime, and a 1/2 ounce of whatever that weird thing, that 1/2 ounce is what you would normally use simple syrup. So if you have a sweet liqueur, the best way to use it is to test it.
What's the first 2 ounces though?
2 ounces is your spirit.
Oh,
also,
like
so what
rye vodka.
Yeah, so if you also have a spirit and you don't really know what to do with it, rye, vodka, bourbon, gin, 2 ounces of that with 3/4 ounces of a citrus and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, you're good to go. You'll get to know the liqueur a lot better.
And it's good to experiment and have fun because, we drink so much wine and martini, wine. I'm talking about myself. Martini, wine, martini. Let's enjoy the chant.
Chant.
Happy New Year, baby.
Happy New Year.
Who knows what will happen this year?
Anything's possible.
Hopefully good stuff.
Yeah.
Joni, when Mom comes in, do your Axl Rose impersonation. It's really good.
Paul, did you tell Maude that she was supposed to move it like Jagger?
Yeah.
But she's not really. Is that an appropriate thing to tell an old lady?
She can really move it.
She can?
Oh, man. Have you not seen that?
She dances like this. Right?
Yeah, something like that.
We want to say happy, happy, happy New Year to you guys. And Maude has some New Year's resolutions, and Joan has New Year's resolutions. Listen to this. You can make any day of the year New Year's. You can change your life. Every year, you have 365 chances to change your life.
Hear that, Joan?
All you got to do is make a resolution, be dedicated, and change your life.
So don't be so down in the dumps.
So what's your New Year's resolution? Move it like Jagger, and what else? What is it? Oh, drink less alcohol.
Oh, wow.
And what's Joni's?
Listen to more Guns N' Roses.
Yeah, she loves Guns N' Roses, yeah. She loves Axl. She's a little freaked out by the way he is now, though.
Not really.
We want to say to you guys, happy, happy New Year. Thank you so much for this year's incredible support from everybody. And if you're new to Dinner Party tonight, we have so much in the back catalog and so much in the future. And please don't make hand gestures when I'm talking, okay? Can you not do that? Why do you have to do that gesture to me? I can't live with these dogs anymore. Somebody's got to help me out here. I mean, they're really a mess. Happy New Year, Paul.
Happy New Year.
And should old acquaintance be forgot?
No.
Yep, that's right. I've known Paul for almost 30 years.
Old acquaintance I am.
Yep, that's right. Onwards into the wild blue yonder.
Forward.
Anything is possible. You have 365 chances to change your life every year.
Quit screwing around.
Did you tell Maud that she was supposed to move it like Jagger?
Yeah.